my name's Joel Lewis, Project Director for St George. Welcome to Fulham Reach. I'm standing in front of Holland House, where you can see excellent progress on the facade, including windows and curtain wall. We can also see brickwork going up from our scaffold, which has progressed to level 4. All of those facades should be done by August, where we can take down the scaffold and start installing balconies and landscaping. In terms of our internals, fit-out's going really well, with our first kitchens and bathrooms fitted just last week. We have built internal walls to level 5 and ceilings up to level 7, and we're progressing that with electrical, mechanical and flooring works in the next few weeks. Now let's head over to Holland Court and we can see progress over there. So this is our other block at Fulham Reach, Holland Court, which sits right next to Front Banfield Hub, just on the left over here. As you can see, we are finished with windows on this block and are just starting brickwork on the ground floor. We've started internal fit-out with walls and ceilings, and just like Holland House, we'll be installing electrical and mechanical systems over the next few weeks. Thank you very much for joining us at Fulham Reach, and looking forward to welcoming you to your new homes. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact our friendly customer service team. See you soon.